Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us grow. And for breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.co.za. Hey, tada! This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Wanderers 1. My brother, how's it?
Oh, my brother, I'm alright. Yourself?
Fine, thanks, man.
I'm fine. But what I suspect is like our coach is wrong about his substitutions.
Yeah.
You can't play Ngobo and play without a natural striker.
Yeah.
Kahle Chiefs sifuna a striker. Lo muntu lo azosishayela
Ama-goal, exactly.
Yeah. Kahle ufake uIgadoro late.
Oh.
Kahle bekumele aqale ngoIgadoro and le striker lese besiqale igame uDuba
Yeah.
is not right for ukuthi aqale igame. uDuba right makaqala igame as a sub.
Oh,
You understand?
Yeah.
On my side, coach, mele I understand our natural football. You understand? Mele aqale on the right way. So yena kahle ufuna kuqala a game like atteste abantu, which is wrong. Chiefs, we want to win cups, guys.
Yeah.
We are tired because we lose our game.
You're
which is
tired
wrong.
of being a laughing stock.
You understand, Brian? Yeah. Besifuna labantu. Uyabona lapho. Abantu balahlile labantu.
Manje ke manje bafuna kanjani ngoba usekho ku-MTN8?
Hawu.
Labantu bafuna i-Sundowns ne-Golden Arrows.
No, sifuna labantu sizothatha
Komele nihlukanise iToyota Cup ne-M10.
ilikise na Churena.
Iligi manje.
Ise na Churena iliki
Ithathe M10A.
or Nedbank Cup.
Awu abana.
No, siyabonga kakhulu futhi.
Laba abantu bethu laba.
Hawu
Kuna labantu laba.
Ansesebantu beGolden Arrows.
No, siyabonga mfethu, siyabonga kakhulu. Hey, tada, social
Thanks, Brian.
Buenos